Hello dear friends and companions. In this video, for the first time, the recipe for preparing a nutritious potion using carrot juice, apple, banana, cashew, pistachio, and honey will be shown to you. Potions are a mixture of raw plant materials that have an extremely high value. When these raw materials are mixed together in certain proportions, they will become very rich and valuable in terms of nutritional value and will create a lot of energy in a person. So that a glass of these concoctions can replace a meal. By using potions, the preparation of one of which will be shown in this section, you can get the necessary energy and maintain your health and vitality. Potions are raw foods full of precious energy, which can be consumed especially by athletes to get good strength and power and enjoy the continuity of life. This potion is very useful for people who are often weak. One of the ingredients of this concoction is carrot juice, which has high nutritional value and is a rich source of potassium, vitamin C, folate, and beta-carotene. Beta-carotene is a precursor of vitamin A. Potassium plays an important role in preventing muscle cramps, and one of the first signs of its deficiency is fatigue and muscle weakness. The causes of potassium deficiency, in addition to improper diet, include excessive loss of body fluids due to sweating, diarrhea, and urination. Vitamin C is a water-soluble vitamin, and our body cannot produce this vitamin by itself, and we must provide this vitamin to the body by consuming food and complementary medicines in order to benefit from the benefits of vitamin C. Folate is an essential B vitamin for production. Red and white blood cells in the bone marrow produce DNA and RNA and convert carbohydrates into energy. Having enough folate is especially important during periods of rapid growth, such as pregnancy, infancy, and adolescence. Another ingredient in the potion is cashews. Cashews contain zinc and therefore can strengthen hair and increase hair growth and prevent hair loss and gray hair. Other properties of cashew nuts include things like preventing skin wrinkles, preventing cancer, maintaining the health of gums and teeth, increasing body energy, treating anemia in children, creating regular sleep in menopausal women, treating fatty liver, preventing and treating constipation, treating facial acne, formation of red blood cells and treatment of anemia, male fertility, regulation of blood pressure, prevention of heart diseases in pregnant women and weight loss. Cashews are a good source of magnesium, which is vital for the healthy growth of bones, muscles, tissues, and organs. Cashews are likely to contain very low amounts of sugar and no harmful cholesterol, making them safe for people with diabetes. However, only 4 to 5 cashews per day are recommended by nutritionists. Cashews are a good source of healthy dietary fats, which are vital for the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, vitamins A, D, E, and K, and the production of essential fatty acids for brain development. Of course, cashews have many useful properties that there is no time to talk about in this video. In the next videos, we will gradually explain these properties. Raw foods have a lot of inherent energy that is put into them. One of the important properties of these materials is having enough fiber to activate and stimulate the digestive system, especially the intestines, which causes them to move. In fact, a healthy soul has meaning in a healthy body. It is better to use this concoction in the evening, after exercise and after taking a shower, because it compensates for lost energy and gives new strength to the body.
If you liked this video, please subscribe our channel and leave your comments. Thank you.